Welcome to our video on proprietary Forex trading firms with low capital requirements. If you're an aspiring Forex trader, you may have heard of proprietary trading firms as an alternative way to trade. These firms can offer unique opportunities to traders who are looking to start trading with minimal capital. But what are proprietary trading firms, and how do they work? Let's find out. One of the benefits of trading with a proprietary trading firm is that traders don't need to have their own capital to start trading. Instead, they can use the firm's capital to trade, which means they can get started with minimal investment. This can be particularly appealing for new traders who are looking to gain experience and build a track record. Another advantage of proprietary trading is that traders can benefit from the expertise and resources of the firm. Proprietary trading firms often have access to advanced trading technology, research, and analysis tools that individual traders may not have access to. Traders can also benefit from the experience and knowledge of senior traders and managers at the firm. However, there are also drawbacks to proprietary trading. Proprietary trading firms typically have strict risk management policies, which means that traders may have limited flexibility in their trading strategies. Traders may also be subject to strict performance metrics and targets, which can be challenging to meet. Additionally, proprietary trading firms may require traders to put up their own capital as a form of collateral. This means that traders may be at risk of losing their own money if their trading results in losses for the firm. When considering proprietary trading firms, it's important for traders to do their research and carefully evaluate the firms they're considering. Traders should look for firms that have a good reputation, transparent policies, and a track record of success. Traders should also consider the level of support and resources that the firm offers, as well as the firm's compensation structure. And that's it for our video on proprietary Forex trading firms with low capital requirements. We hope this video has helped you understand the world of proprietary trading and whether it's a good fit for you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.